5 clever home decorating tricks using pallet woods. 1. Console table. A console table is a perfect furniture you can get for your home. To press the budget, doing a decoration of console table using used pallet woods can be even better. You can just cut properly and furnish the pallet woods before you use some cover paint for the woods. Then, place the console table anywhere near the wall to save some space. A console table can be the best place to put vases, books, etc. 2. Herb garden. Bring a small and healthy environment to your home just by reusing your pallet woods. Why buying herbal plants that sometimes are expensive when you can grow them in your own home? Yes, you can create a vertical garden using pallet woods, in which it contains herbs for important uses. You can hang the vertical garden in the sides of your home, and you can also add some pots to the plants. This home decorating trick is very good for you. 3. Wall art. Wall art is like a pure decoration. Using pallet woods, you can start by crafting the woods into boards in square shape. You need to prepare paints to create artwork on the pallet boards. There are a lot of arts you can apply onto the pallet boards. From abstract arts, famous people, until enlightening quotes, you can decorate your home perfectly with the wall arts made economically with used pallet woods. 4. Countertop. You can create countertops for anything in your home with pallet woods. All you need to do firstly is to decide what kind of a countertop you will make with the pallet woods. You can make a countertop for kitchen, for a table, for a washing machine, and other things. Prepare a proper ruler and a proper cutter for the pallet woods. Then, you should measure the things you are about to put the countertop on. 5. Bench. To create a pallet wood bench is simple. At first, what you need to get done is breaking down the pallet woods by either hammer, circular saw, or reciprocating saw. Then remove the nails so that the pallet woods is safety before they are made into a bench. Then you create a layout of a bench, the pattern, clean the edges, and create the legs for the bench.